Hey, what's up guys, Shrikant here, and the Android 6.0 is finally here. And I'm happy with this update. It is a quick review as well as top features of the Android 6.0 aka Marshmallow. While the device is running the 6.0, we have got the same game here, no new ones. Not easy to play, guys. So the new feature we have got over here is the Google Now on Tap, Doze Mode, which we will be talking in the top 5 feature video. Google Now on Tap, if you want to set up, you have to download the Google App Launcher first. Then after that, you have to enable it on your home screen. Then sliding from the left to the right, you'll find the Google Now Launcher over there. Then swipe another time or click the menu button over here, and then you will find the settings, and there you will find the voice. Under voice, you will see the Now on Tap. I have turned it on, and after you turn it on, you will get the Now on Tap. So by just doing this, you can see that animation over there, and right now, right over here, it says Now on Tap, and there it gives me two links. It says Google as well as New, so I can get the update or search it on Google. Google Now on Tap really works amazing. I am a fan of that and I got used to it. What we have is on the app drawer. See guys, there is no horizontal slider from now, it's all vertical. Before Android 6.0, I got the update to the Google Now Launcher, so it changed automatically. And first I was in doubt whether it's a Google Now Launcher or something else. There is one thing which you need to know about the Google Now Launcher, which I had first saw. So for first time, if you just click on the app drawer icon and hold it for a second, then you will get, and I will go directly to the search apps. So you don't have to click on the app drawer then click on the search apps, so you can directly go that. And for example, if I search something, I don't know what I'm searching, so you can just click on that and it will show you the app. And the next thing is the System UI Tuner. Here you will see the setting icons at the top. All you have to do is click and hold it for a second, then it will actually roll, you can see over there, and then leave it. So here it will say congratulations, System UI Tuner has been turned on, and it will directly take you to the end of the screen. There you see here is the System UI Tuner. System UI Tuner is nothing but if you had used the Cyanogen powered phone, then you must have known that you can actually customize your navigation settings and as well as the status bar. Here you see it can say System UI Tuner gives you extra and blah blah blah. If you want to read it, you can, or just click on the got it. And here you have the quick settings, the status bar, even the show embedded battery percentage system. That was the one thing which I needed for a long time, and now I have it. So this was the System UI Tuner. Next thing is the Doze Mode. Doze Mode, I actually cannot show you the Doze Mode, but how it actually works is when a phone is idle, so it actually stops the background working apps, then your phone can your battery can actually longer. So you're actually having the battery optimization also over here along with the battery saver, where you can actually set your apps to optimize it or not. So here it says not optimized. If I click on it, if I click on the app drawer, drop down, click on the all apps, then it actually says optimizing battery use. This means that they are using the least power of your battery. This is one of the best features I like, is the features. So without wasting time, let's go and find out the features. The Google Now on Tap. Google Now on Tap actually works when you click on the home screen and hold it for a second, an animation pops up, and here you have the Google Now on Tap. So where there is something in your home screen which you want to search, it will directly show you. You don't have to open up the browser and search it for that. Let's check it out. Like for example, if you got an email, like here, I got an email from me So here it says let meet at Haldiram's at 7 p.m. Now all you have to do is just click on the home button and hold it for a second. There you see the Google Now on Tap is on the action, and here it shows the Haldiram's, and down there you can see the Google website as well as the images. So it can directly take you to the Google and search for the Haldiram's. You want to click any on the links, you can directly go to the Haldiram's website or even search the images for that. Under that you see it says create calendar events, so click on that. Clicking on that actually will create an event in your calendar, which is actually nice, so that you have the reminder in your calendar, and all you have to do is just click on save. Guys, I'm really sorry for the voice, the microphone is not well, so please do bear with me. Thanks guys for that. See, it says meet 7 to 8 p.m. so that it actually just set my 7 to 8 p.m. I don't say that 8 p.m. Okay, thanks and thumbs up for that, Google, and I think more in the future also that would be good. Google Now on Tap is, can actually work with other stuffs also. It is not only that the Google Now on Tap will actually work with the restaurants only, it can work with any pretty much good stuffs like searching for the personality, any celebrity, or like this movie. I haven't mentioned anything here, movie or anything to watch it or nothing, it's just Tomorrowland and then happy. So all you have to do is click on the home button and hold it for a second, let the Google Now on Tap to do its work. Here it says Tomorrowland, its IMDb score, 2015 film, YouTube, images, cast, and Google. So here let's click on the cast and see. There it actually takes me to the cast page. So there you have it guys, this was the Google Now on Tap feature. So what do you think about the Google Now on Tap? Do comment. So guys, the next feature is app permissions, our most wanted and awaited feature. So for opening it, okay, let's talk about what it actually is. So if you have an app and it actually has your permission, it has access to all of your gallery, contacts, your microphone, everything, and if you are actually really upset for that, you can actually revoke the permissions which you don't want. For example, camera, microphone, locations, and many more. So right now we are taking a look at how to do it. Go to settings, apps, click on any of the apps which you want to revoke. Let's take here Instagram. Click on the permissions. And there you see it has access to my camera, my location, and storage. If I actually don't want it to access my location, I can actually just click on that and boom, it's done. It doesn't have access to my locations, so that's good. I actually can revoke the permissions and access for the apps to access any of my stuffs, and that's cool because I don't want it to actually see my personal stuffs. So thanks for that, Google. And for other devices with less with other devices having less battery, for them the Doze Mode is actually the best feature from the Android 6.0. For example, like the Android 1 devices, the first gen Android 1 didn't had a good battery backup. They had around 1700 mAh battery to around 1800 mAh battery, so that's good for these phones that they don't run out of battery that easily. There's another thing in this also, so all you have to do is, so there on the right hand side below the time you will see 3 dots. Click on those and here you will see battery optimization option. That's a new one. So clicking on that you will find that it's actually not optimized. So it actually helps your apps and helps you to actually make your apps not to use most of your battery. So clicking on not optimize, drop down menu which actually includes all apps. So clicking on those apps will actually make all of your apps to optimally use your battery. So there it is, and that's also a good option. What do you think about that? Another most amazing thing on this Android 6.0 feature is external storage. So before the 6.0, actually with the expandable memory, were not able to send all of their apps to their expandable memory. So like Android One devices were not able to do that, and with the less internal memory, it was actually difficult for them. So right now there is an option for the users to actually move the entire app to the external memory and keep internal memory safe. So there it is. How to do is go to apps, click on any app you want, and there you will, first option you see is the storage, which says used in internal storage. So clicking on that, well, there you will see a change name. Clicking on that, then you will get two options. One is where the app actually is, and the second is where the SD card actually is. So clicking on SD card will actually move your apps from your internal to the external. Click on move, and there, boom, it's happening. So how do you like this feature? This and the Google One Tap, the Doze Mode, and the expandable store are amazing. So with this we come to the next feature. The new feature is actually not actually the feature. It is actually a new system UI which has not changed fully, but there are few changes. Here you can actually copy the URL and then you find these new things. Now these floating have a new option actually here with the three dots, which says share and select all. So this is the new one, and another one is the new system UI tuner. So for that, as I said in the mini review, so it actually does is you have to click and hold on this setting icon, and it will actually rotate. You can see that. And when you just remove your hand from that, it will say congrats, system UI tuner has been turned on. And there below the about phone you will find a new tag named system UI tuner. Any cyanogen mode phones, then you must have had that show embedded battery percentage, or another phones which doesn't work on stock Android. So clicking will actually have your percentage on the battery shown up. Next is the quick setting over here. So here in the system UI tuner, you can actually customize how and what do you want in your navigation bar. So actually I can change this do not disturb and move it down, and there it is. If I don't want this invert colors, I can actually move it down, and there it is. So this is how it works. Next is the status bar. So if you don't like your status bar to be full with some icons, so you can actually turn them off. So for example, here I have the Wi-Fi signal over here. I don't want that. I can click on the Wi-Fi, and there you can see there's no Wi-Fi right now. If I click on it again, the Wi-Fi has come. So this is how it works. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. It will help channel a lot, and I'll meet you in the next one. Follow us on Twitter at Geek Shrikant. I'll leave a link for that in the description. And as always, keep visiting, stay updated. Thanks.